I think Easter egg. I'm gonna put it right there.
Yeah. Egg. Egg.
Do you want an egg?
Yeah.
How about this one?
Yeah.
There you go. Should we give Daddy one?
You want to show me your sticker, Graham? Show me your sticker.
Show
The one
Grandma.
on your hand.
Go like this, go.
Can you show it to me? Show it to the camera.
Give me a bump.
But
Bump, bump, bump.
Papa.
Oh,
Do you hear Papa?
yeah, you hear Papa's voice, don't you?
I have to tell Papa to come out and look at our eggs. Oh, that one's really cool. Look at that.
Papa.
They got little spots on because I can't cover them all the way. Dog gonna have little spots.
Oh, all right, I'll stop.
Egg.
Cool, huh? Put another one in? Up, up, up.
Graham. Hey, Graham. What's your favorite color?
Green.
Green's your favorite color.
Put it in there.
Cool.
Ah.
Good job. All right, let's get this one out.
No.
Oh,
No.
pretty.
No.
Now you don't want them to come out? But they're so pretty. You put another one in? Ah!
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey. No. 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 No.
You're just gonna hang on to it?
Yeah.
All right.
No. No. Thank you.
Oh, those are so pretty. They're
I
beautiful.
think it's the brown eggs.
Gosh.
Will was pretty smart about it.
I mean, those really are pretty. I'm impressed.
Mine. Mine.
Well, actually, it's mine. Wait, we'll put another one in. Hold on.
Oh, nice. Hey, Graham, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, cake.
You're gonna leave it right there? Okay, here.